Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Laos, L-A-O-S, Lao udon noodle. So this is right here, from here, Lao udon noodle. Okay, first, I'm going to have this sweet rice, another word, sticky rice, and regular rice, it's like a rice, tapioca powder. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. This is rice flour. I'm going to go with half first. And I'm gonna go with, this is a sweet rice, sticky rice, and this is a rice. So I'm gonna go half. Let them going together, just like that. Now they all mix. Okay, let's just finish it up. Yeah, finish it up like that. Mix all of them together. Okay, put tapioca bag. Keep 1/4 to when I cut the dough. So this is for putting the dough, not to get sticky. So the tapioca powder. Alright, everything mixed now. I have to mix them together. Mix well because tapioca, sticky rice, and rice, make them all together. Okay, this is my machine, everyone, to make the dough. I'm gonna get started. Alright. Okay, let's get started. Get the dough put in here. Okay, put all the dough in here. Okay, everything in. It's right here. I'm gonna make the dough right here. This one in. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's start dip up. Yep. Okay, hot water already done. Come on, let's get started. Okay, let's get started bit by bit. See, that's easy. เรียบร้อยทุกคนเห็นไหม done going down alright cut piece by piece. Stay in the warm spot for 5 minutes. Three more pieces. Stay in here for 5 minutes. เก็บใส่ถุงไว้ในฟรีเซอร์อยากกินยามใดก็เอาออกมา Put in a Ziploc bag and frozen. Anytime you need, take it out. Okay, everyone, let's go make noodle soup. Okay, first, mushroom, favorite mushroom, roti. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar for the taste. That's it. Two of that. Okay, this fish sauce very good. Teaspoon. That's it. Seafood. I have clam. Okay, clam. Put whole clam in here. Fry. I have crab. Seafood papiak set, guys. And I have the fish ball, fish cake, everything in. Just like that. Yeah, seafood. Okay, I don't want the noodle to get sticky, so I'm gonna go ahead and boil by themselves first. Right. And fresh shrimp seafood too. Seafood papiak set, guys. When you see papiak noodle right up like this, already done. So clean out. Throw away. Like that. Yep, please. That's it, right there. Okay, everyone, when you cook seafood, put ginger. Ginger is very good. Okay, what I do, I don't want my crab cooked, overcooked, right? So I take off. Shrimp too, take off. Okay, take off. Okay, the noodle ready to eat. Put just a little bit, but I don't think so. I cannot finish. Let me get back this. Okay. Oh yes. Ooh, wow, look at this. Okay, everyone, ready to eat. Ooh, wow, look at that. Put this thing iron right here. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Then here, pepper. Here's garlic. Oh my goodness, there you have it. Oh my god, so good. Look at this, beautiful. All right. Come on, everyone. Oh my god, papiak set. Oh my god, look at this. Yum. Delicious. Delicious. Work hard, pay off. Oh my goodness. Sap, 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 sap. Oh my god. Delicious. แล้วทุกคนมากินกับเปียกเสร็จเห็ดใหม่ๆหอนๆสดๆเลยแซ่บ